Thank you. Once you have it disconnected, then you need to push on both sides of the glove box to lower it down completely out of the way. So you push in on this side and you push on right here. If I can get you there, and once you get them both pushed in enough, it'll fall right. Once you get the string out of the way, which comes off of that right there, so you can see how it has to come off right there. It just latches under there, and then you have to push both sides of the glove box in to get it to come all the way down. So you just push on both sides and it'll fall down out of the way. And then the air filter goes in this area right here where it says filter. It's amazing. So you have to unclip it from both sides, left and right, to get that out of the way.